Walmart just dropped their summer fashion and you guys are not gonna believe these finds. You're getting designer looks for under $40 a piece. Some of these as low as $8 a piece. I'm showing you all my favorites and these are going fast. Welcome back to my channel. I am Christina and I am all about everyday life on a budget. So I am here to show you how to level up your summer wardrobe with Walmart. I have about 20 items to share with you, ranging from really casual, cute tops, mix and match bottoms, as well as workwear if you're looking for some stuff that is a little bit more elevated. And then if you have special occasions, wedding, anything coming up that you need a dress for, I have some amazing dresses for you too. There are a number of ways to shop this video. You can scan this QR code at any time during the video and it's gonna take you to my Walmart storefront where all of these items are listed together. YouTube shopping you can utilize, it's in the lower left-hand corner. It'll pop up whenever I'm talking about a product, and then everything will always be linked and numbered in the description box as well as in the first pinned comment. First up, we have this beautiful cable knit vest with the scallop detailing. What I love about this, it's 100% cotton. It comes in this beautiful washed yellow color as well as a blue color. And this is a great transitional piece from spring to summer. You can wear it on its own. If you like a sleeveless look, you can put a button up under it if you want it to be a little bit more polished or if you're going into the office. But it is just so pretty. I love the cable detailing, the scallop neck. It's gonna go with a bunch of different options. I have it paired here with my new favorite piece that is gonna be this mini skirt that I'm gonna show you in a little bit, but it also looks great with jeans, with white jeans, with blue jeans. It's a really versatile piece to start off the summer collection. So next up is the favorite item I think that I have of this whole collection, and it is this tiered mini skirt. It's not too short. You know, I'm 45, so I'm not wanting to wear like a mini skirt. I like that it has a drawstring, so you can definitely cinch it and tighten it if you need to. So that way you can wear it really high on your waist, or you can lower it a little bit and wear it underneath your belly button, which is obviously gonna make it longer. So I like that versatility. I'm not the type of person that's gonna be wearing shorts out at night. Like I'll wear athletic shorts during the day when I'm hot, but if I'm going somewhere, I would rather have a skirt. I feel like that's a little bit more polished than shorts for me. I'm not really into long shorts, but I do have some Bermuda shorts that I'm gonna show you later in the video that I'm trying to become a fan of. But the skirt definitely is a better option if you're wanting warmer weather wear, but you don't wanna wear a short. This is $24 and it comes in sizes extra small to double XL. If you want a matchy top option to go with the skirt, any top that I'm showing you is gonna go with this, but I love this chambray shirt with it. I love how it kind of almost looks like a dress, but it's a matching set and it has button-up detailing on it, ruffle detailing around the neck. It's sleeveless, so it's gonna be nice and cool for the summer. It's 100% cotton, just like the skirt. This is only available in extra small to extra large, so I don't love that the sizing is not so inclusive on this, but I do have a lot of options that are gonna be really inclusive for you. This shirt is $26 and I do love it with the skirt. I think it looks really cute, almost looks like a dress, so you can get that matchy look. But this also pairs really well with a white jean. You could even do a long jean if you're not into doing the skirt or shorts. So very versatile. It's gonna go with a lot of things. Very cute, very flirty, and has functioning buttons on it as well as a drawstring too. And now these are the Carpenter barrel jeans. I showed you these in my spring video, but these are still available and I think they are perfect for summer. Again, if you're not wanting to wear shorts, they are going to be that creamy white, so it's gonna go with a lot of those fun, colorful tops that I'm showing you. Okay, this next shirt is gonna have way more inclusive sizing. It goes from extra small all the way up to 4X, and it is this cotton smocked peplum top. Again, I love that it is all cotton. You can get it for $24. It's available in white as well as this popsicle orange color I'm wearing in this vest that I'm gonna show you a little bit later. I typically wear a small in this line, but it's just a little bit tight under my armpit. So I think with all the smocking and the way it sucks you in, I think maybe sizing up one is gonna be the best option for you. But I love the detail on it. It is so sweet. It's gonna go with a bunch of different things, especially if you're grabbing the white. Maybe you have a really colorful skirt that you wanna pair it with. It's just a really classic top. Again, cotton, so it's gonna be nice and breathable and just a really great staple to have for the summer. This next top is really cute. I'm having a hard time picking out which one is my favorite shirt. You're gonna have to let me know down in the comments because I think all of these are really cute, and I know I'm not gonna keep all of them, but I'm gonna have a really hard time deciding. This next one is a button-up front sleeveless denim top. So the top is denim, so it's a little bit heavier, but it does have functioning buttons. It is put together and built so well, so it does have a little bit of a higher price point. This one's coming in at $30. It is available in this mint green and white striped that you see me wearing, but it is also available in like a more traditional jean color, like a chambray color. Now, I didn't see that one in store, but it looks like it is still available online. So if you're wanting something a little bit more traditional, you can go the jean route. This one has inclusive sizing as well. It goes from extra small all the way up to 4X. I think it looks really cute with the chambray tiered skirt that I'm loving, as well as a white denim, but it also has a pair of matching pants. I was not able to grab those before I filmed this video for you, but after trying on the vest, it has a matching pair of carpenter pants that I think look really, really cute. So I might grab those and see how that looks together. If you don't like that matchy-matchy look, that's fine. It goes great with denim or it goes great with white as well. Okay, next up is this beautiful cable knit vest that I'm wearing. It's available in this bright, beautiful orange color, as well as a deep navy. It has pocket detailing on it. I love the gold button accents. It reminds me a lot of the one that I showed you in spring. That was a short sleeve one, but we're going into summer, so we're going sleeveless. I love the functional buttons on it. So you can open them, you can close them all the way. You can get a bunch of different looks with it. You can even wear a tank top under it and wear it open, or wear this over a dress. So you can get a bunch of different looks with it. I just love a sleeveless sweater vest. And I think this could also transition into fall. You could put a button up under it. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can wear it. This is really soft. It's 96% cotton and 4% polyester. So a little bit of a blend, but it still really feels good. It's nice and soft. This is gonna retail at $26. And let me check the sizing for you. This has inclusive sizing as well. So it's gonna go from extra small all the way up to 4X. And if you're looking for a summer jean, I've paired it with these high-rise cropped wide leg jeans. These are available for $28 and the sizing is from 0 all the way up to 22. These are 99% cotton and 1% spandex, so you are gonna have a little bit of stretch to them. I typically am true to a size 4 in this free assembly line, but I found with this pants, they're a little bit tighter in the waist. They're a wide leg, but the waist seems tighter than other jeans that I have had in this line. So if you're looking to buy these jeans and you wanna be a little bit more comfortable, I definitely would size up one on these. I'm gonna take these back and get a 6. Okay, one more casual shirt to share with you. I love this little sweater tee with a ruffle detailing. It reminds me of the one that I showed you in spring. That was just yellow and nice and sleek, but it adds just a little bit something special to put these little ruffles on there. It just elevates the shirt. Again, it's gonna look good with the white jeans, it's gonna look good with regular jeans or that jean skirt I showed you. I love this color that they have, this swimmer blue, but it's also available in a sweet mint color too. And this retails for $24. The sizing on this, not as inclusive, extra small to double XL on this one. And then let's see what it's made out of. This one is 60% cotton and 40% modal to give you that sweater effect, but it is very, very soft. Just know that it's not 100% cotton. Okay, let's move into our workwear section, which is, you know, great for going to the office, but also if you're just looking to dress up a little bit, having a blazer is always a great option to add to your summer wardrobe, especially if you're going into a restaurant or something, you're not sure if it's the air conditioning is gonna be jacked up or not. It's always a great option to be carrying a coat around. This first set is a linen blend. So it's half linen, half rayon to bring that cost down a little bit and to protect you from getting like super, super wrinkly. Linen gets really, really wrinkly. So having a little bit of rayon in there is gonna help with that wrinkle. Blazer is available in extra small all the way up to 4X. It's $40, which I know is a bit of a higher price point for everything that I'm showing you, but this jacket is really well constructed. I love the way that it fits. Again, there are a dozen ways that you can wear this. You can wear it with the matching pants that come with it and get a suit look. You could wear this with white jeans. You could wear it with regular denim. You could wear it on top of a dress. So having a blazer is super functional and just a great option for your summer wardrobe. So these do have a matching pant if you want to have that suit look. I really love these. They're a high-rise wide leg cropped pant. Again, 27-inch inseam. I think a cropped pant is so cute for summer. It's just like really flirty and makes you, again, like have that effect of having shorts but not wearing shorts. I hate wearing shorts, you guys. Do you like wearing shorts? Shorts over 45? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. This is a linen blend, linen and viscose to make it a little bit more wrinkle friendly as well as keep that cost down. These are available in extra small all the way up to 4X and they are $32. I love the way these fit. They're really, really cute. They're cute without the jacket. So if you just want to have a cute summery pant to wear with like a white t-shirt or a white tank, I love these pants completely on their own. I'm really into the stripes, but if you don't like stripes, they also have a solid color that is a beautiful sky blue, and that again has a coordinating jacket too. And I've paired this with my favorite tank from Free Assembly. It is the Cutaway tank and it is only $8 and it is amazing. I have it in a couple of colors, so I grabbed a white to go under all these suits. But if you're not a tank top person, they also have a cotton stretched like baby tee that I've linked as well below for you if you're more of a t-shirt person. And that's only $10. Okay, so I have another suit option. Now this is the only thing that I'm showing you that is not Free Assembly. This is from the Scoop line, which I also really like. Scoop just tends to be a little bit more trendy and Free Assembly is kind of more classic that you can take from season to season. And this is a linen blend blazer as well. They have two colors available. They have this burnt rosemary green color, which is really pretty. And then they have a pinstripe that is a cream color with a black pinstripe. So I think they're both really sharp. It's just depending on what look you're going for. This blazer is a little bit longer and I think a little bit more fitted than the previous one that I showed you. Again, it's got that single button on there. Lots of nice structure to it. This one too is $40 because there's a lot going on here with having a blazer. There's a lot to sew, there's a lot of structure, there's a lot of pattern that they have to work with. So I'm okay with spending $40 on a blazer because it's a little bit more of a substantial piece. This one has inclusive sizing, extra small all the way up to 4X. It also has a coordinating pant, it has a coordinating short, and it has a coordinating vest. So I'm gonna share all those looks with you. Okay, now these pants are pleated and they're a barrel style as well as a little bit more cropped. They have a 25-inch inseam. These are a linen and rayon mix. They're available for $30. They come in size 0 all the way up to 26. I really love the fit on this pant. I think it is kind of a trendy pant. I don't know how many more seasons you're gonna be able to carry this through this season, but it's really cute. It feels good. It fits so well. I love it paired with the blazer on top with a white tank top or a black tank top underneath. I think it just looks really sharp. Pleats on the front and then back darts on the back just give you like a really good fit. It makes you feel really confident and look good. It also has a belt loop, so you can wear a belt with this, which I think is fun. If you want this look to be a little bit more casual, like I told you, they do have this coordinating vest. Now this vest only comes in extra small to extra large, so not as inclusive there, but it is $30. It is available in that burnt rosemary, but I'm also going to show it to you in the pinstripe. Now I find that this shirt runs very small. I am a pretty flat-chested person. I'm gonna be vulnerable here. I'm a 34B and I typically wear a small in the size. The buttons are really pulling around my chest. So if you are a larger chest person, you definitely need to size up one, if not two. It might be one that you might wanna buy a couple of sizes and see which one fits you better. Now in the green, I'm wearing a medium. It's fitting me really well, but now let me show you in the pinstriped. I'm wearing a small here, and as you can see, it's pulling a little bit from the side. You can see in between the buttons. So this size is not gonna work for me. So keep that in mind when you are shopping this one. I have this paired with a Bermuda short. Now, typically I really hate a Bermuda short. And when I first tried this on, I was like, no, I don't like it at all. But then I tried the pants on, then I tried the shorts on. And as I'm looking at it yesterday, I'm like, oh, I think I kind of like this. I think I kind of like the way this looks. I definitely like the way it feels. It is very comfortable. The pants and the shorts fit very similar. They're very true to size. My daughter was like, Mom, no, I don't like those. But she didn't see them on me. And I think I'm kind of liking them. I don't know. Are you team Bermuda short or not? Let me know down in the comments. I'm kind of feeling it. I don't know. I might like it. I might like it. And the good thing is that the shorts are cheaper than the pants. The shorts are available for $24. Again, you can get them in the striped or that green color. And this is inclusive sizing 0 all the way up to 26. And when you're doing a Bermuda short, it is a 9-inch inseam. So just keep that in mind depending on how long your legs are. I don't know, guys. I think I like them. I don't know. Let's move on to dresses. Walmart is my go-to for summer dresses. You can get all these dresses for under $36. I got some of their dresses last year and that's what I wore to weddings and stuff, and I got compliments on them, and nobody knows that they're from Walmart because they look amazing and they're built amazing. Starting off with this U-neck dress, I love this because it has a mixed material on it. The top is like a sweater material and then the bottom is a cotton material. Love the scalloping detail on it. I love the length of the skirt. It has a lot of detail at the bottom of the skirt. I wore this dress to a Laura Geller event a couple of weeks ago and I got a lot of compliments of it, and I was telling people it was from Walmart and they're like, oh my gosh, Walmart dresses are so good these days. I'm like, yes, they are. This dress is available in a couple of colors. I got the red Rover color, but it's also available in a blue color, which is really cool because the bottom skirt has a little bit of striping on it, so a little bit more detail. That blue one is available all the way up to 4X, and the red one is available up to 2X, and you can get this dress for $32. The next dress I want to show you is 100% cotton, so we love that. It has this really beautiful dropped waist, which I thought I was not a fan of. I'm normally a fan of like a higher waist and more of like a A-line skirt, so that gives me some shape because I have an athletic build, but I actually really love this dropped waist, and it looks really different because it's not something that you typically see. And even though this dress is all just one color, I love the shape of it. It gives a lot of intrigue and interest, and it kind of is leaning towards that country look. I feel like that country vibe is really in the summer, that like kind of relaxed look. And this comes in chambray, and it also comes in white. So I think it would be really cute, and you can dress it up or dress it down with your accessories and your purse and your shoes and everything. So you can make it really casual, or you can elevate it with heels and like lots of jewelry. And I think it's gonna look really pretty. This is available all the way up to 4X, and it is $36. This next dress is 100% cotton as well. It has some beautiful floral detailing on it, but the cool thing about this dress, it's a midi dress, and it has a lot of panel detailing in it. So it really is gonna accentuate your curves and suck and tuck you in. It really reminds me of like a J. Crew style dress, but you're getting it at such a good Walmart price. This is available for $36. It's available all the way up to 4X. It comes in this beautiful floral print that I have that is called Tickled Pink. It also comes in another color that looks like it is out of stock. Yeah, there was a blue color that's out of stock, but honestly, the pink one is cuter, so you're not missing anything there. Next up, I have a short dress if you're wanting to show off a little bit of leg. This smocked cotton sleeveless dress is really cute. It has the nice smocking on the top and then a double layered skirt. The skirt is kind of fluffy and bubbly, which I normally don't like, but this is really, really cute. And they did not have this in my size, so I sized up to a medium, and it still fits pretty well. I think I would prefer to have true to size, have a small, but it still works because with the smocking on the top, it's really gonna suck in and contour to your shape. So no matter what your shape is, no matter if you're flat chested or a little bit bigger, this is gonna fit you in all the right places. This dress is $34. It looks like it is available up to a double XL, and it also comes in a yellow color too. Last up is this striped maxi dress that has a cutout in the back. Now I am not wearing a bra with this one, and it works because it has this elastic band underneath your bodice all the way to the back, so it kind of holds everything in place. You definitely could wear a strapless bra with this, but with the back cutout, it's gonna be a little bit difficult. So wherever your comfort level is with that, I found that this looks great without having a bra because of that support from the cutout in the back. I love that detail. It's a fun little surprise in the back. Again, great for summer, especially in an outdoor wedding where you're gonna be really, really hot. This is going to keep you nice and breezy and nice and cool, and it is such a beautiful look. It's very fresh, very summery. It comes in this really pretty mint and blue color that I'm wearing, but it is also available in a yellow striped version as well. This one is available all the way up to 4X, and you can get it for $36. This one is 100% cotton too. I love that they have so many options that are 100% cotton, so you're not getting these mystery fabric blends. So those are my favorites from the new Free Assembly summer drop. A lot of this stuff is selling out really fast. So if you see something you like, get on there and save it. If it's sold out online, you might be lucky enough to have it at your local store. So you can just go and do in-store pickup, buy it online, go in-store pickup, save it before somebody else snatches it up. I would love to know down in the comments, what is your favorite item? What are you hoping to get your hands on? My favorite, I think, is the tiered skirt with the chambray shirt. I think it's just like such a sweet, fun little country look. I can't wait to wear that out on a date night. I hope you found this video helpful. My goal here on this channel is to make your everyday life simpler, give you tips for feeling beautiful, looking beautiful, making your home beautiful, all without breaking the bank. So I hope I helped accomplish that today. If that sounds like fun to you, please subscribe before you leave, give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Thanks as always for being here and spending this time with me, and I will see you in my next video.